Guys, welcome to Breathing Games. We had a little hackathon today, trying to pull out a first proof of concept using this pressure sensor, and we've had a bit of trouble because we don't have the proper voltage amplifier to use with a little Arduino Nano here, but got it working, and I made a little processing sketch with a little game of Pong. So basically you
you got it.
you control the paddle by blowing or sucking. Oh, I missed it. So there we go. Phase 1 finished.
Of course, this little pump is not the thing, but it's the proof of concept.
Actually, the pump is. It's just that the we don't have the proper circuit to amplify. We need to amplify the voltage by 200 times. So we didn't have the right electronics in the lab to do that. So I did it.
Okay, so that's why you have to blow so hard.
No, yeah, because the range I have now is like 0.5% of what I should be getting.
Mm-hmm.
So I only have 6 steps. So,
Yeah.
so if I remove the most difficult step, I only have 5. You know, so I kept them all there.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
But I could easily remove that one too. Actually, it's one line of code. Actually, here, let's make it easier right away. Since you're filming, hold on. Where's the mapping? Right here. I'll change this to 518, and that ought to do it. Oh wait, it's still running in the background. Okay, now it'll be easier. You see, I only have 4 steps now. I removed 2 steps. I didn't remove 4 steps. I mapped out the screen height to 4 steps instead of 6. But I have a bunch of holes now. I can make the paddle wider. But that would be cheating, right? Actually, you know what? I should make the paddle wider.
So anyway,
yeah,
here
so
we
that's
go.
it.
Proof of concept done. Thank you very much.
Yeah.